Hey guys, today I'm gonna be taking care of my cats. Take care of my cats with me. Okay, so this is my cats right here. We have four cats, and my time is the son, and my Angela is the daughter, and my time too is the dad, and my Angela too is the mom. So y'all probably like how my time is a dad and he's a baby. No, he growed up, y'all. I made him a adult with the adult potion. He all grown up now, and this is just not my time. Yeah, so let's go with the girls first because they're girls. Ladies first. So let's get into this video. Okay, so dang. So we went with the daughter first. Yo, that scared the heck out of me. Okay, she a teenager because like she grown up. Hold on, let me turn on my phone because this is loud. Don't copy me. I need to take care of all four of my cats. Y'all, they all rich. Like, y'all cats rich too. Everybody cats rich.
Nhum nhum.
I don't know, she better eat her some fruit before she wake up. Alright, now it's time to put her on some clothes. Dang. Alright, now let's change. No, that. This is a commercial. Good night, my dear. Next, the mama. We ain't gonna get into the mama. Y'all, I made her hair great.
Hey guys, let's talk about a life hack that.
Yeah, I'm so tired of commercials. Yeah, she's definitely doing this here. Yeah, I just want to dress her regular because, like, yeah, she gonna wear all black because, yeah, y'all. I'm just playing. I love doing her. I love the lipstick part, the lip gloss part, because it's the best. Hold on, let me see if I got some black of these. Don't worry about that. It don't matter. So. Y'all just see how she just tried to copy me? And that's why her. That's why I hit her. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, that's enough. You already used it. Okay, so good night. Okay. Alright, let's get into the dad. Oh, kids first, kids first, kids first. Kids is first. Kids is first. Okay. You so tired because last time I took good care of him, he didn't want to go to sleep. So now he's tired. Come on, shut that up. Exactly.
Nothing, girl.
I know you hungry. I'm gonna feed you.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Okay, then go to sleep. Y'all, let me know in the comments how much times do y'all get commercials on y'all phones. Cause this is everything. I'm gonna play some of the games with him, you know. What? I didn't go to sleep. I don't care. Oh, good night. Alright, the dad turn. Cause like, I bet you that boy. I Yo, this makes him like comfortable and all that stuff. Yeah, this make him, this make his playful go. Okay, it's finished. Alright, now.
Hey guys, let's talk about a life hack that.
Now let's get him dressed.
Oh. Ah. Ah. Blah, blah.
I don't like those things. Damn. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. The AirPods going dead, my phone going dead. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on. If you're new to the channel, peace. I'm out.